And I'm talking about my views is towards the philosophical touching with the political parties. Like what the scholar says about the parties. Like the cartel of modern phenomenon, where the political party becomes dependent on the state, less connected to the grassroots, and more focused on the managing the system. How the cars and mayors says about the party. Rather than focusing on the grassroots, it emphasized on the system. It was written in this book, The Changing Model of the Party Organizations and Party Democracy since 1995. So this was the RSP's new slogan, Sangsad Mara Saratma, kleptocracies and means that kleptocracies against the uh, voice against the eliticians, where the elite people or the who are in the head of the state use their power in the bribery or by they mismanage or misuse the resources of the country. So also Susan Party was formed in established officially in 2079 in OSAR 7, but officially recognized in the Election Commission in 17 OSAR 2079. So it is one of the fourth major party. We represent the right now the Nepal Parliament, who has covered 20 seats in the parliamentary house. It's very used. So, what is the source for? And this is a Rashtriya Swasthya Party, the National Independent Party. What what they have the manifesto and very Rashtriya Swasthya Party is a very interesting party because we all know that uh, like maybe this is the time after reading this lot of 567 documents which were in the website of the Rashtriya Swasthya Party. So I go through that because right now the how we call because just analysis or just frequently we can tell like maybe the by the situations like maybe the country needs the new leaders perception or the by why because there are already a lot of parties who are already recognized and already very old who have got we need to learn from them also but by keeping that in the mind, also what you can say is that maybe like why we create. There's one point, critical point, like why we need the political party. Always creation of new political party because creation of new political party means like again to the humans. What we call that human nature is a political nature because they want their high hierarchy. If they do not get space, they want to create their own party. So like they want to have their because to get recognition, they want to create their party because creating a party is very easy. So I think they want to create a party rather than joining. By reading this or by knowing from the our old party like Congress, Union, or Unified Socialist or Unified Socialism, what you call is that I think rather than creating a new political party, we can even make more review to the old party, and then we can make same. I think this is my let's see how what will we go through the Rashtriya Party. So RSP constitutions amended in the 2081 consists of a preamble part 1 to we have from part 1 to part 23 and we have four schedules where constitution reform and suggestions task force for the government. They have just recently added the new task force where they have the constitutional remedy as well. So, the political parties is a neglected element in the foreign policy decision making. The role played by the political parties as agenda settles in the foreign policy through the ideological discourses, reflecting their distinct political orientation as agenda followers in foreign policy through their positions as interest aggression derived from the support within the domestic policy. Like in this RSP, they have used the term the socialist, and how many countries use the socialist like Sri Lanka, India, and Guyana, Tanzania. Guinea, Bishop, Nepal, Portugal, North Korea, and arguably Eritrea. So these countries use the socialist term, and now we have a new unified socialist. These RSP have a constitutional socialist. So these are the political manifestos which were framed in 2079. So succession means good governance towards the public. Bhaskachar Garina means we do not tolerate the corruption. And gender inequality, social equality, social security, and social justice and inclusion. These were the Nepali terms where I have converted into the English. Reform the electoral process, good governance for the people, corruption-free Nepal, in gender discriminations, multidimensional social security, excellent education and manners, a strong health system, revolutionary in agriculture, mental health, ease of doing business, a large social scale network of infrastructure, basis of easy travel and secure and respect overseas employment. Because RSP has addressed the overseas who are in a foreign labor employee and the, more towards the diaspora centric somehow. So परराष्ट्र नीति र सम्मानजनक वैदेशिक सहायता because we talk about yes in NC and UNL or Unified Socialists they have talked about they want the grant in economic development whereas last time I just hear one interview of Ghale one say not Seskare but Madhur Kumari Ghale's interview she said that she said that one because country like Nepal we need a loan because you cannot ignore the loan directly because it was a rivalry between the our mayor of Garan. You don't want to accept the loan of the grant to the whereas but in this time he what I say some about by this society without respectful and without prudent use what we call rational use or what we call so Nepalको राष्ट्रिय एकता भौगोलिक अखण्डता सार्वभौमिक स्वतन्त्रता पञ्चसूत्री सिद्धान्त these are the similar among all the parties till now. So except this has used the Nepali मूल्य र मान्यताको संरक्षण नेपालको परराष्ट्र मार्गको but what I find in this but let's go continuously and answer tell the last. So सन्तुलित परराष्ट्र नीति यसमा चाहिँ के छ भने राष्ट्रिय स्वतन्त्र पार्टी हरेक देशसँग समान दूरी कायम गर्ने परराष्ट्र नीतिमा अटल रहने प्रतिबद्धता व्यक्त गर्दछ। अब यो चाहिँ तपाईहरुले नि पढ्दा हुन्छ यो चाहिँ न्यू लाइक जलवायु क्लाइमेट चेन्जमा पनि यसले पोइन्टहरु लेखिराख्नु भएको छ ज्ञान र प्रविधिको हस्तान्तरणको लागि विश्वव्यापी समन्वयलाई प्राथमिकता राख्नेछ भनेर चाहिँ लाइक दिस कन्सेप्ट लाइक इलन मार्क्सले पनि भन्दा छ इफ यु डु नट give the space to the new thought and new vision then you cannot make the country or anything in a new dimension so that maybe this has somehow put something with this line as well. So RSP foreign policy guidelines, so rule of law, liberal economics, social justice, equity and egalitarian inclusions, a fully democratic state system based on the pluralism. He just talked about the pluralism and the foreign policy. A welfare state with the government and transparency. It has always voice against voice on the transparency of the government, corruption-free society, zero tolerance towards corruption, direct participation, proportional, inclusive democracy. Because the RSP has not mentioned the inclusions in their manifestation, but they have by the something Mukesh Dhakkar or something. He was visited in some recent district where he got the point like he is against on the federal region and personal freedom and human rights. Somehow it talks about the human rights because it has talks about the foreign employed people labor especially. So RSP guiding principles, ideology and election manifesto. Agenda in the foreign policies, conditioning factors, issues of foreign policies, documents, constitutional socialisms. This is very new to me because they use their idealism is a constitutional socialism. Means constitution is their idealism, where they want to apply A to Z in their manifesto, in their bidan or their party's constitution. So establishment of society as envisioned by the constitutions of Nepal, the role of law. This is not the time to make new promises, not the time to sow new dreams, but the time to fulfill the promises made in writing and the dreams sown. This is very beautiful. I like this because I think this is a situation where creating a new philosophy or adapting the liberalism or the realism, but this is a I think how they use make this manifesto. This is quite interesting to me. So personal freedom and awareness they have these parties has done, and this where they have imagined their vision like they have almost 35 division where they want to after they become the head of the state or anything they want to make this नीति तथा विचार विभाग. This was very interesting. प्रशिक्षण विभाग, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संबंध विभाग, अभियान तथा प्रचार प्रसार विभाग, आर्थिक व्यवस्थापन विभाग, कानून तथा न्याय विभाग. This is similar. अर्थनीति विभाग, मानव विकास प्रवर्धन विभाग. This is very interesting, and this our country needed this one. But how the RSP can apply till now. Shiksha Vibhag, this is a very individual Vibhag where they want to make a very appropriate progress, and it is their main objectives of the RSP. So parties manifest inside. RSP is on the developing foreign and economics policy, articulations relying on the coalition's agenda and high-level ideological levels. And how I compare I compare with these three main political parties, what is the difference between the RSP and the other UML structured vision. RSP is under the developed foreign economics policies articulated relying on the coalition's agenda and high-level ideological levels, whereas UML unified, moist, Lenin structures revision in the both areas, infrastructure, partnership with the both diverse and sovereign balanced foreign policy, whereas Nepali Congress position as a centralist, global, diplomatic, and socially liberal in economics is their manifesto, whereas moist-centric rooted in ideological nationalisms and coalitions about the foreign influence with the mixed economic strategy, where the scientific socialists, as UML socialist scientific, this is not the our former PM Donald Trump. He talked about scientific best lesser spread economy, unified socialists have a 5 principal constitution inclusion governance, common minimum programs, graduation agreements with the global powers. This is the Madhu Kumari vision. Okay. Oh, no, there is. So we are at public reception. City goes to new. This public perception. City goes to new parties goes to what having. Because you can see it might be because in the very practice, it denounces Ujjwal Thapa, founder of Vivek Sales Trans Party, was unfortunately less escaped. The party started transparency in the foreign oil aid grants and demanding public disclosure of all international assistance, but does not address the new trade treaties and connectivity project cross-border railways, sponsorship, hydropower treaties, and related to the Nepal, India, and China treaties. It has not totally mentioned in their manifesto. Maybe he wants to keep the balanced policy where they do not want to raise the question. Means if we stay silent, means in a diplomacy, what we call it. So conclusion, the people are hoping for a system where they can live with self-respect, later nepotism, favoritism, favoritism, blessing, partisanship or functionalism, and let qualifications and abilities to be properly appreciated. This was a slogan in the first beginning of the Rashtra Socialist Party. But because there are so much scams like Rashtra Socialist Party himself was in custody about the commercial cooperatives cases. So, but I don't know how the government head of the state is treating. Maybe sometimes problem reaction solution. There was one theory whether they want to make some mainstream, and they want to maybe in the future maybe RSP Sabapati might be the prime minister. We don't know. So this was thank you everyone.
Thank you, Vinay. Thank you.